How to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, you don't actually enable Bitcoin on Cash App because Bitcoin is available within Cash App. If you come to the home tab, you go to Bitcoin. However, if you want to trade for Bitcoin and you want to be able to make transactions via Bitcoin, for that, you actually have to verify your your Cash App account. So when you come to Bitcoin, let's say I try to buy Bitcoin over here for $100, I tap on next. It's going to ask me that I will have to verify my account. So normally, whenever you're trying to make any sort of deposit also, you'll be asked to verify your account. So once you've verified your ID with your legal name, your date of birth, as well as also by uploading your documents, then after that, the Bitcoin options will be enabled within Cash App and you'll be able to make transactions without restrictions. This way you will be able to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.